Breaking news! Apple and Google just released new betas. iOS 18 Beta 3 and Android 15 Beta 4. Here are the biggest new features you need to know fast. First, iOS 18 Beta 3. Apple Intelligence just got faster with improved writing tools inside Mail and Notes. The Control Center now lets you rearrange controls even quicker. Small Photos app design updates for easier navigation. Hidden lock screen widget options found by testers. Plus, better stability and bug fixes, especially for older iPhones. Now Android 15 Beta 4. Big focus on Privacy Sandbox. Better ad and app permissions. Satellite messaging support is expanding to more devices. Performance boosts on Pixel phones with better battery usage. New UI tweaks in the taskbar and lock screen clock. And this beta is super stable. Almost ready for final release. Quick comparison. AI? iOS focuses on writing and images. Android leans toward privacy and personalization. Customization? Android still leads, but iOS is catching up. Both add strong privacy updates. iOS 18 supports iPhone XS and up. Android 15 covers Pixel 6 Plus. Which one are you excited about? iOS 18 or Android 15? Comment below and subscribe for more fast tech updates.